Alright, super simple one from here. I am going to replace the BC Racing coilovers in my car to some WRX ones with Tein S Tech lowering springs. So yeah, come along. That's how my car currently sits. I'd say it's not too low. I definitely want it a bit higher. I'm unsure if the Tein struts that I got are going to be higher than this. Probably put like 3 fingers in, 3.5 on this side. It's like more of a 3. Well, they're roughly within error of themselves, I guess. Been running this since I got the car. I like the ride, but yeah, the wife's not liking it, so I'm going to switch them out with these. They've got the Tein S Tech springs on them. The shocks themselves are relatively new. He said it had about 75,000 Ks in it. They do look good. They're not that dirty. Yeah, I'll put them in. Okay, I'm gonna jack it up now. I'm aiming for the U-brace at the rear. She's looking a bit tired. I just noticed these things in the headlights. It's like paint's coming off or bubbling up. The grill's a work in progress. I'm so sad about that. But otherwise, nice bar. Okay, progress so far. Taking the wheel out. This is the setup. That's my BC coilovers. Spoke too soon. This is actually the front left strut. They're much beefier up front. Just measured it and it's about 46 centimeters on the BC coilovers. And this is about 50 centimeters, so hopefully there's a 4 centimeter A day later, I've managed to pull out everything. I had an issue with the bottom bolt down here. It was like stuck on pretty freaking hard. But I removed the brake caliper, as you can see there, and took out everything. Yeah, so one, which is that one. It's a BC coilover. And this one, which is the new one. So I'm going to put that in and see how we go. Okay, the other one was really quick to do. As you can see now, suspensions are in. I just double checked everything. Everything's looking good. Retorqued everything. And we're pretty much ready to go. Wheels back on the car and lower it, and can't wait to feel a softer ride. I got back on the floor. I think it's too low. Before it was like 3.5, now it's like 1 or 2 fingers. Well, it looks cool, but I think it's too low. Anyways, that sucks.